Have you ever wondered how to create a paradise for pollinators like bees and butterflies in your backyard? Pollinators play a vital role in our ecosystem, and creating a haven for them can be simple and rewarding. With a few steps, you can transform your garden into a pollinator's delight, benefiting not just these creatures but also your garden. Creating a pollinator paradise involves more than just planting flowers, though that is a crucial part. It's about curating an environment with three key elements. First, native flowering plants offer a smorgasbord of nectar and pollen, the main food source for pollinators. Second, a clean water source, like a bird bath or shallow dish, is essential for hydration and cooling. Lastly, shelter in the form of shrubs or small trees provides a safe haven from predators and harsh weather. Remember, diversity is key to attracting a wide range of pollinators. Now, it's time to get your hands dirty and start creating your pollinator paradise. Let's dive in by picking the perfect spot in your garden. Look for an area that gets plenty of sunlight and isn't too windy. This will provide a welcoming environment for our pollinating friends. Next, it's all about the plants. Go for a variety of native flowering plants, ones that bloom at different times of the year to provide a continuous food source. Remember, variety is the spice of life, even for pollinators. Once your garden is brimming with blooms, let's not forget about water. Set up a clean water source. Shallow dishes filled with pebbles and water work great for this. Lastly, create cozy shelters for pollinators to rest and nest. Piles of rocks, logs, or even purpose-built bee hotels can do the trick. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a haven for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. Creating a pollinator paradise is a rewarding project that benefits both your garden and the environment. Remember, it's about fostering biodiversity, incorporating the right elements, and following the steps we've discussed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!